Bigger. Yeah, and then when you can't say ah, then don't.
Going over the whole back part of the arches, right?
Yeah. And stop. Larger. Say ah. I wanted a larger spot size because he's got a larger back area back here.